Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. Firstly, make sure that you're Bluetooth enabled. So open Control Panel, and if it's disabled, just tap at your Bluetooth and enable it. It should reconnect with your phone automatically, but for iOS device you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap on them at the device list. You can also try to do this on your Android device, so maybe it will help you. Now we have connection, but if it didn't help you, next step is to perform a software reset. To perform a software reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone, and then you open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone, and we should have also connection, and we have it. If the software reset didn't help you, also we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time don't close the case. We have connectional button inside the case, and you need to press 2 times this connectional button. 1, 2. Here we go. After that, we need to reconnect them with the phone. So you need to go to the settings and then Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. And we have connection. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we can reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. So, on your iPhone, open Settings, and you need to go to the General settings. So click at the General, then scroll down, and at the bottom we have Transfer Reset iPhone. Click at this line, click Reset, and right here we need to select Reset Network Settings. There is no Reset Bluetooth settings, so Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So click at this line, then write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for Apple. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to the system, what's located at the bottom. You need to scroll down, here we go, click at the system, and scroll down again. At the bottom, at least for stock Android, we have Reset Options. Enter here, and you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And then click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!